Are checking out Applesauce here by Animal Collective, requested by Winky Taters. Give it a listen. They have gotten the stream taken down before. Okay, well, here we go. I'll be back. I'll be back if it gets taken down. You guys already know. I'm talking about honey. It's definitely fitting the trippy theme. Yeah, McLaughlin, you missed it by like a minute or two. I'm sorry, my friend. This image is kind of creeping me out a little bit, though. I don't know why. My goal is to always try and figure out all the different instruments being used, because some stuff I've never heard before. We got some little bell of some kind. Oh my god, that sounds like a... something, I don't know. I thought I had it, and then the thought just evaporated. What is he saying? I feel like a little honey could something. Or money, I don't know. Honey or money? Honey. Watch Tangerine Reef. A little piano melody going. He said the thing, I heard applesauce. Piano of some kind. Fuck, what is the bassy thing? Is it a guitar? It doesn't feel like it. It feels like a tuba. You got like whistles, like train whistles. Actually, staring at all this purple is messing with my vision now. Don't understand the lyrics, even spelling them out. They don't make sense to me. Oh my god. Now this over here, this is chocolate and vanilla pudding. Even more confusion. There's a filter on his vocals that makes it feel like it's underwater a little bit. sound? I'm so confused. I'm just so curious where a lot of these sounds even come from. Because it's like, is that a bass guitar? But it sounds like it's like a tuba or something. I don't know. Now it's wanting us to go watch the audio-visual album of Tangerine Brief. That might make me go blind. Maybe a little bit. A little bit. I don't know. Some of the audio visuals are a little too much. Like this one here. This one did a number on me. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, Animal Collective, go eat your applesauce. Lyrics didn't quite mean much of anything about applesauce. He did say the thing in there, though. He did say applesauce at one. But the honey can roll part, I don't know. A lot of weird sounds as usual. Filter on the vocals. Another song where I listened to it, I'm like, is someone like jamming this in their car while they're driving? Are they like playing it on the boombox on the back patio while they're watching the sunset? You know, I always try and figure out like a setting. I don't know if everybody just has to be like completely in a whole nother dimension from magic mushrooms or something. I don't know, but interesting to say the least. What is up, YouTube? If you want a chance to win a live song request, then be here on Sundays at 5 p.m. Eastern. We're streaming marbles on stream. You'll get a marble. It'll run the obstacle course, and if you're lucky enough to win, you'll get a song request of your choice. It is a blast, guys. So many people show up. I've discovered so many new bands doing this. It's just something fun, different than the day-to-day stuff on the channel. There'll be links down below to the Discord where you can join, find out how to enter the races. We're always in there chatting, memeing, talking anything about music. It is so freaking fun, guys. So I will see you there. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one.